Hi, I'm Ashley, Senior Clinical Advisor at Carepatron, and I'm here to help guide you through the Fear of Intimacy test. What is a fear of intimacy test? Fear of intimacy is a type of social fear that tends to be conflated with the fear of commitment. While the fear of commitment is the fear of having to commit to things such as deadlines, exercise regimens, and long-term relationships, the fear of intimacy is the fear of becoming close to another person on an emotional level. It is the active avoidance of forming emotional bonds with others, especially romantically. Not only that, but it is also the active avoidance of allowing themselves to open up and be vulnerable in a relationship, whether it is platonic or romantic. Those who have this kind of fear tend to be distrustful and distance themselves on an emotional level, even with their closest friends and loved ones. This is in addition to having a hard time showing and expressing emotions. In extreme cases, those with the fear of intimacy engage in problematic behaviours to keep themselves from developing emotional and meaningful relationships. This fear could stem from a number of things, from experiences of abandonment, attachment issues that they develop during childhood, and even cultural and societal backgrounds. This fear can negatively impact a person's mental well-being, and those who have it may develop the tendency to isolate themselves. They may feel intense loneliness, leading to depression and even low self-esteem, as fear of intimacy does not equate to fear of relationships in general. As a result, this worksheet is typically administered by a couples therapist. Here's how to use a fear of intimacy test. The first step is to fill in the name and date and then read the instructions. The clients will then need to complete Part A of the questionnaire, rating each statement with the scales provided. They will also need to complete Part B, then calculate the rating. This can also be used as a self-assessment. To view the sample assessment of the Fear of Intimacy test, head on over to carepatron.com where you can download and access the assessment for free. You can also access the assessment through the Carepatron community platform. Type in the keywords, find the note, and edit however you would like. Thanks for watching, and remember to subscribe to Carepatron to view more healthcare related videos.